Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a transition using Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, using Google Maps itself to create a transition isn't the best of ideas, and the transition I have in mind is the one where you go from a bird's eye view of an area and then start zooming in, and then you switch to either a third person or first person view. That is the transition I will be explaining how to use. And as you can see, I did turn satellite imaging on Google Maps, and even when I zoom in, it turns black or it starts loading, and as you can see, it isn't the best option. And alongside that, it is not fully 3D, and of course you have all of these locations and landmarks and everything, which isn't the best option. So the better option for this would definitely be Google Earth, but as you can see, I'm clicking and dragging, but it is going incredibly slowly because this is a full render of the entire globe where you can zoom into any part you would like. I do recommend you use the standalone version for this if you're planning on using and creating this transition, since doing it like this is not the optimal way. As you can see, it is very resource intensive for your browser, so your browser won't be as smooth as the standalone app would be. And yeah, you can just start zooming in. However, even still, even if it is 3D, it will not have the highest detail possible when you zoom in enough. So when you get to a point where you zoom in and the quality starts falling off, you can find other satellite images, and you can well, use them to splice them into the video to make it smoother than it is on Google Earth. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.